Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to convert zip files into PDF. So let's get started the video. Open your web browser, search for zip to PDF. Click here on the first website that's shown here. Click on Add Files. Then find and select the zip file you want to convert to PDF. Click on Open. It may take some moments to upload your file. Once it's uploaded, click Generate PDF. It's converting to PDF. So here you go. Now click on Download all files. It's downloaded into zip file. So click on it. Click on your PDF and extract it to your location where you want it to appear. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.